Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course namuntlha hi ta hi khelela hi n'wana wa Dr. Joe Shirimane, ku nga va mani handle ka Ntsako Shirimane, hinkwenu na n'wi tiva mani. Then from there hi ta continue na beef leyi nga kona between Hlawusikiza na DJ Gift ka ha ri ku hiseni swinene. Then from there hi ta hi khe hi hetela hi DJ Mumba. Of course we all know khale xivoyisa lexi xi nhwetana ka Dr. Joe Shirimane to khale na khale. Xona of course a ku yimbelela xona lexi ka xi ku this song is wow, a ku ri xona vele so ku na video ni nga yi vona a yi create-ini. I was like this video swi kahle hi tisana la ka Master T hi kota ku va hi vulavula hi swona. Wona mhaka leyiwa swi nga pfuna maybe. So a hi pfuleni hi twa kahle a ku endleka yini ka this video. Wona mhaka leyi, so a hi pfuleni hi twa ku endleka yini ndhawu leyi.
Asheni vaka hina, well, I hope you guys are doing well and it's about 2025 in the sharp in kahle ever since. So there's something that I wanted to address. But since last year December, but I'm not still going. Should I talk about it or but then today I just decided it's better if because this does not sit well with me. I shouldn't and it's really bad. So, as you guys know, Sungulu created this TikTok account last year, December in 2024. And in Mary, the support that I've been getting, I really appreciate it, guys. And the followers that I have, I really appreciate this because this actually keeps me going. So, yeah, guys, like I really appreciate it, but that's not what I'm here to talk. So, the Shintalavako's address is something that took place since from last year, December, Lokun Sungulu created a TikTok account.
Yeah, so 2025 vele so account yena tani swanga ku vuleni I create 2024 kwala mahetelo ya lembe. All right.
So this thing has been happening in the comment section Yamina, and it does not sit well with me, and it's something that I did not expect. I was told that TikTok has both good advantages and bad advantages. I was like, I'm not gonna get that from my people, from my fans, from my tribe. I mean, we Tonga people, we love each other and we have respect for. So there are some negative comments let's the comment section and this actually is an interest because sometimes in so like what did I do wrong or but then
so yeah, mhaka leyi ya twisisa ku endleka. So swo ku na vanhu vo karhi va va kha va khomenta hansa ka hi comment sections and hinkwenu ha swi tiva ku hinkwenu hi nga zama ku va hi swi imagine ku va va kha va khomenta swilo ku va block-wini, but yeah, we can all try to understand va nga va kha va vula swo karhi of course even about Dr. Joe Shirimane and stuff like that. Loko ku na swo tala mi swi tiva va yi tshama kha yi accuse hi swona Dr. Joe Shirimane, we all know it if nga swi tivi swi kahle. Vona mhaka leyiwa. So kona swi va swi wrong, it's very very wrong because loyi un'wana a nga tivi nchumu a nga ndangi nchumu. I mean like vanhu va nga fiki va susa ti-battles leti va nga na tona against Dr. Joe Shirimane va swi yisa ka n'wana. Ni vona se swi va swi bihe ngopfu. Vona mhaka leyiwa. Nkoka loko se ni ya cheka le ka ti-comments mi kuma se vo tala va block-ini ka page ra Dr. Joe Shirimane, so swi tshama kha swi endleka mi kuma ku no va kha va tsala swo karhi, va tsala swilo swa like negative stuffs. Vona mhaka leyi against vona Dr. Joe Shirimane and also against vana va vona ku ze va posta swilo swa vana va vona ku va deleting the comments and stuff like that. So mina ni kha ni swi vona for a long time. I was like swilungile, but se swi bad now because swi affecta na n'wana loyi a nga na potential yo a nga va the best female vocalist ka Gaza, because a swona swa kala side ra female vocalist swa kala swinene. The moment munhu loyi n'wi tivaka ku xonge rhangana loyi a nga na impact, you understand, se swi va kha swi kala. So loko ku ri mi kuma ku se already a kha a hlaseriwa a ha ri ntsanana, so like imagine it's very very wrong. So hi ku ya ka mina lava follow Master T, a ni ta kombela ku loko va kona hayi a va hambana na yena wa ha ri n'wana na ku very very munhu if a nga swi tsakeli swilo swo karhi a nga n'wi landzeleli munhu. So of course the same things va kha swi humelela na ko vo Dr. Joe Shirimane, vo Benny Mayenga no Mr Boss, ku vanhu lava i vanhu lava already va nga nkulu ka industry. A swa ha va affect nchumu, like a swi nchumu, swa ha ri nchumu ngopfu ka vona lava ku lela ntiyiso. But this one is she's still young, wa ha ri ntsanana swinene, like she's still young. Maybe swi nga swi kha swi vangiwa hi ku a na no munhu a attackiwa. I think so, hikuva na no munhu hamba a attackiwa and then mi kuma ku a swa no munhu vhele hi ku na ya va ri ka ti-beef. I think maybe swi nga swi fambi hi line yaliya. so ze swi ya fika na le ka vana manjeni, so it's very very wrong. It's wrong. If vanhu va n'wi tsakela va hambane ku na lexi a nga za xi dyoha, so it's wrong.
So kuna vanhu van'wana like va vulavula swilo swo biha, like a ni swi twisisi ku ri what did I do wrong or ku endleka la yini a ni swi twisisi, but then a swi ni khomi kahle at all. And because like ni swi hleketeni ku ri okay, if vele ku so imagine if I was emotionally weak, because I believe that I'm emotionally strong and ni kote ku ri ni swi avoid so because they're not important. That's what I've been taught, but like ni swi avoid so. But guys, this needs to stop. Because like they are weak, you know, and if I was a different person, you might find it to imagine committing suicide and doing all of these things because of the negativity that I get.
This is a content creator, don't you she's a female, between a man and a female. You know, no blogger, no magashona, but this a female was emotional, like you see. So yeah, man, go with brace. We're gonna brace Shiriman and got Zamakova assist like in terms of monitoring the comments. Until maybe she's in a position whereby she can be able to control the comments, like in a way you so the brother in terms of that moderate the comments, yeah. Which is just simple, just go you check I see maybe nampondo azama kuba a blog I'll argue o blog loko swi vona ku munhu ite energy ka nga ri kahle you blog, yeah, something like that. Swi nga pfuna swinene.
TikTok. So guys, I hope this ends nicely, because that's not what I'm here for. That's not what I'm here for. Money, another artist, my dad, that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for me. I'm here for my work. So if ever like man and like how? Tonga people, where is the respect? Where is the love? Please don't go around doing such things in other people's comment sections. And this that doesn't stand by other people. Allah cool, 30 years. Yeah.
Yeah, as of head, so look, I'm saying, should and the Shindu Van Nakulukum, so much of Shifka Danis and Karuman, like Yalona Shlang, she's young, and the one, potential Meron, even when I listen to a voice and a music, I can hear, oh, Vanzan bad. With dedication, anga kulungu of music. Anga kuleshonel because kuna space. Mashoka wa sate na kuna space shukulu so she can go far. Elesho. So van if anga utsagit aba ambana account ya yena banga comment show aba ambana show. Yeah, even then of course beef of course yahlabusikiza na DJ Gift. So previously ngamishona ku hlawafika umesa defile yokare le ngabona DJ Gift anga dihlamlang la of course hlabusikiza afika komisa ku umalusi ku hava le ka DJ Gift ana abona ngahlamula swo fambisana sweswo so swi tikomuna ku so obelwansele because Hlawusikiza released another video, of course, I can't be fun and DJ Gift. I fully never know what I ended.
Yo, no, we can be saying, Movale, somebody put la meleris, lay, movale. I got him where left over. I'm finding me made left over so some. Amba imelela asamba ahead ekwala la ku ivona kahle ku shota yini uyo basuluka oroka ngashambi na from kwalaune oro lo singa endli sweswo swakudya swa yena va hamba a swi teka tliliniki loko a nga hlambangi a nga swi kumi angethi yes a hlambi falu
look, asibong balance semaka ku sijikile manje ku boa DJ Gift look so mara imagine guys va ku mova imagine mova lu famba ku xitaratini like ari tshorini va ku hlamba ku tla wena just imagine so yale beef guys ka hana dio naze na hana reta ni yara na hala ya hari ku hisen beef so far for now DJ Gift vona sa ari ku boweni se hlawusikiza xiwe power yin'we ku kumba ngopfu swi komba nga ta tika and stuff like that. And the posting one gosh, I don't understand what's happening. Because if you are this post days after afatsala la ka hlambiwa ku ri xikwembu xi byela tintlambi a tilweni swi fike in confuse post leyi I was so confused ku anga kha vula man like Loko swi ni confusini because loko xa makhombo nga ku vuriwa yena like yini bini post leyi vula ntiyiso yini bini swinene I don't understand it. So ni vone hlawusikiza kha hlekela laha a kha va kombisa ku ku laveka xitokofela xo hlamba as you can see kwala I think he also tagged it a tsake ngopfu hlawusikizi mhaka post leyi loyi a nga fika tsari ku mina ni nga voni so a ni tivi ku gagasha nga kha yisa ka mapost leyi yi tumbele ngopfu so swi endle ku hlava a hlekela a twina ku nga kha ku vuriwa DJ Gift hi ku hi yehe swi nga duma ku a nga hlambi so a redzi na mina yi fike yi ni bayizisa ni ku a redzi guys yeah emdeni of course khe hetela hi DJ Mumba there is something great coming there is something great coming because kuna a post a nga fika a yi tsala kasi ku namuntlha of course la nga fika u tsala ku leswi ni nga mi tshembisa tolo va na ni ready Friday yi ta va yi ri kona online vanhu va mina ni kombela ku pfuniwa ku share so as you can see loko hi pfula kwala naswona ku ku na a music video yi nga ku teni swa kala ku zini ta update as masathi swa kala guys so swa kala so Friday ku ta ku ri timani Friday ku ta kha ku ta a music video yaleyo of course yi nga ku tlanga background hi ti 24 ta January so a hi streaming guys swa kala ka gaza swa ti music videos mo hlayela kwala na kwala leti va kha ti huma na loko hi hlayela in a year a ti fiki na 10 man swa kala swinene so hi nga vula tani ku mhaka kahle swinene DJ Mumba hopefully yi ta tirha kahle music video and then I encourage everyone ku ri va ya streamer I fully support it i mhaka kahle swinene a hi streameni xigatsa xi ya mahlweni hi leswo loko ku ri amukeza subscribe ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe.
Hello, can I please take your order?
Legay.
Minta.
Yung pokin. Dan alam modo.
Meron?
Dan alam modo.
Ay, na mo. Sure you can.
Eish. Lena mashonja.
Mara so yin mara.
Yeah, okay.
Wala happy ni yayi.
Nilawa happy nilaba yeah. Nik compare kids meal.
Happy ni yayi.
Huh?
Yes, it's better. Kumya chicken breast. Kumya nuggets.
Chicken burger it's fine.
Chicken burger.
Ay, no compare natin number phone.
The number phone.